Hello everybody. Today we'll be doing a tutorial on FNF on FNF Funkin Modding Plus. Today we'll be doing a tutorial on how to add weeks. So first off, you want to go to the let me see if it's up and running because I thought I'd delete some files from here. Okay, so this is up and running. Good. So first of all, what you want to do is get your the week icon. I pre-made my own week icon, so you could make your week icon on anything. So you just want to paste it into here. You click, and then you paste it into here, and then you go to assets, data, and then you go to story song list, and then you want to, if you forget, you can open up 2. So you could ignore all this stuff. You can ignore all that. Version 2. If you want to do version 1, but that one, if you pick version 1, then it'll probably break. So first you want to do is you want to delete. Okay, so if you want, you could delete the thing. So I'm just gonna make it remain that. So delete that, and then let's see if it works. It probably won't because we need to do something else. So let's see here. Oh, it does work, but probably will break. So when you need to do this. So you need to rename. You need to copy. So you need to press remain here, rename, and then copy it. Then click off of it. Then you need your story song list, rename. Oh, wait, you don't have to do that. You don't have to do that. You just copy all of that. Then you go story song list week by week. And then paste that there. Paste the same thing. So it's all the same. You want it to be all the same. Wait. Wait, let me Control Z. Okay, so you delete all of that. Delete and then paste the things you had from here. So you paste them. You go to save. Click out. Let's see if it works. Perfect, it does work. But now, if you want to add the week icon. So, if you want to add the week icon, you simply you open up your video editing software you have here. You see? And then you go to the file, go to data, images, and then you go to campaign UI week. No, not that. You go to campaign UI week. That's right here. So then you scroll down to week 0. Hit that. Go back to YouTube tutorial. Minimize this. I recommend using this software because this is easier. So you go to YouTube tutorial, put that in. So then you can make it smaller. Then make smaller like the here. Like make that like zoom in. Then you could just add it right here. And just delete the background. Right here, delete the background. You can leave all this stuff alone. Right here. This has nothing to do with anything. Just leave that stuff alone. And go here. Go back to export as PNG. Week 0. So and then wait. PNG week 0. Okay. And then you go to FNF Modding Plus. Then you replace the file. So where is it? Right there. There it is. So then you go to custom. Then you go to custom UI week. Place it. And then you have to delete all these. And then you copy this, Control V, Control V, Control V. Do it 5 times. No, I meant 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we could delete these. So then you rename this one to week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, week 6. So let's go back here. Also, there's more episodes coming soon. So be on the lookout for episodes. See? Right here. Right here is it. So, you also want to change that too, right? So, you can also delete the tutorial if you want to. So you can also delete that too. So if you go here, you could photopea glitches, so you have to do this, then here, go to here, then here. When you're here, go to here, assets, images. Okay, now go to custom. Where is it? It's custom. There it is. Custom UI character. Custom UR char. So then you press default. Don't do the template. Don't do the template. The template won't work. Do default. So then go to the character you want to delete, or if you want to draw on them, draw on them. I'll just draw on them. See, I'm just drawing on them. Destroy or delete every frame of their animation. Or where is there more frames? Good. Those are all the frames. So then you could export it as a PNG. Default. It might say default, but for me it says default 1 because I already have that there. So go back here. Go to images, campaign UHRs, paste it. And since I have a default, I have to delete the 1, otherwise it won't work. So delete the 1. Let's see if it works. Okay. Also, like to do that. Look at that. It's changed. See? Changed. And also for the week, you can also do something cool. Let me show you. Like, never mind. I hope you liked this episode. I hope you liked it, this episode. And bye!